Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to improve your own computer keyboard typing in Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to search this application name as Keyless Typing Tutor. So search this application in the Google search and you will see its official website. You can see Keyless Typing Tutor Software by ANSYS Software. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. Now below here you can see download now for Windows. So firstly download and install it. So after installing, what you need to do, just open or run the software. So you can see this kind of user interface when you open or launch this software for the first time. Now here you can see above some options like lesson, practice, games, test, and you can see the results of your typings also. So on the first option under the lessons, you will get the readme, lessons and start. So when you click on start, it will display you the layouts and where to put your fingers and what you need to type. So you can see here, you can see a rectangle like box. That means you need to type each letter. So here in the below you can see a transparent hand also to where to put your fingers. So you can see a common typing process like A, S, D, F. Your left finger should be there, and on the right side you need to place your finger from the semicolon L, K, J. So in this way, now to type H, just move your right index finger to the H. Now it will move to the J as you can see on the above letter. Now next you need to press the J and you need to press the K and you need to press the L and the semicolon. Now hit the space. Now do the same thing as shown in the words like H. Now J, K, L, semicolon. Now you can hit space or you can hit enter also. Now on the below again, once again where the box is being shown, you need to type the A, S. Now if you make a mistake, then you will see a red color, so you can just backspace it and retype it again like now D. Now it's okay. Now you can see in the green. Now type the F. Now you need to type the G, hit the space. Now type again A, S, D, F and G, and you can hit the enter. So in this way you can keep repeating and check your speeds, and suppose once you are done you can just click on the stop and you can see the accuracy depending upon and the results. You can see the speeds. So using this very useful keyboard typing software, it will improve your typing skills and even it will improve your typing speeds also. So it's very useful, and in my opinion, from my own practical experience, I find this keyboard software much more easy and good for most of the beginners out there who are finding difficult to improve their computer typing speeds or how to improve computer keyboard typing. So you should definitely try it out by yourself, and by practicing regularly you can improve a lot by using this very useful software named as Keyless Typing Tutor. So try it out by yourself, and if you find any difficulty in using this software, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.